It looks like my Lofi video tutorial appears to be quite popular among my audience, and the video has been performing really well. What is your opinion on this, Tim?
Yes, Will. The video is doing well, and the analytics of this video shows that many viewers are interested in the topic, and a lot of people are searching for the keyword on YouTube. How to make AI-generated Lofi music, how to make Lofi songs without copyright, and how to create Lofi songs with AI. Therefore, we decided to go in-depth into the subject and begin our investigation on YouTube. And we discovered, guess what?
A lot of creators simply copy and paste each other's content.
Yes, and the software they mention in the video is either a paid one or a trial version. Even the video we made on our channel on how to create Lofi music without copyright is also demonstrated with a trial version. However, in that video, we shared some unique techniques and secrets. To find out what the secrets and techniques are, you must watch the video.
Yes, sir. Link in the I button. Tim, let's explain to our audience what we will be doing in today's video.
Today, we'll walk through a brand new method on our channel that enables you to easily create AI lo-fi music with only one click at no cost, and which is completely free and beginner-friendly.
Really?
Yes, Will, this AI is completely free. Dive into this AI before it adds any subscription features or starts getting oversaturated. Okay, enough of babbling. Let's dissect it in further depth, Will.
Okay, there is a link in the description. Click it, and you will be directed to this homepage. If you are familiar with coding, you can code the app and make changes to it. You can almost change everything you could possibly think of. Since I'm not tech savvy, we can leave it unchecked. Click on Explore. You will be redirected to the next homepage. By default, it loads the preloaded playlist of music. Let's play the demo music.
The AI demo is so sick, Will.
Indeed, Tim. It's a crazy free AI. All right, let's end the current playlist and create a new one. Click this icon to generate the new music, and play around with this white dot. It enhances the tone of the audio when it generates the music. Hit generate, and preview your AI-generated music. As you can see, the AI is capable of producing realistic music with just a click. It always blows my mind.
Yes, Will. Now all it takes to create the music is a few clicks, and the AI is getting smarter day by day. Could AI take over the world? Will.
Tim, I'm not sure about AI, but this video is going to take down a lot of copy and paste creators.
Will, how do we find the right video guidance that provides its audience with insightful knowledge?
If people are smart, they will subscribe to our channel and share it with their friends and family.
Yes, they will.
Let's speed up the video and repeat the same steps. To put it simply, just adhere to these three guidelines: refresh, generate, and preview. If you don't like the music generated by this AI, don't worry. You always have the option to create a new piece of music. Calculate the song's duration based on your preferences and generate. Once the generating process is complete, it's time to download the music. As you have probably noticed, there isn't a download option. Click the red record symbol to start the download. And all the while, keep your music playing. It will take some time. Get outside, breathe in some fresh air, and sip some water, and check the process. When it finishes recording, click on the record. It will stop recording, and you will get an option to download it.
It's so easy, Will.
Yes, Tim, it is so easy. Now let's take one step further.
How?
There's a second link in the description. Click the link. It will be directed to this homepage. Or type in the Google Safe Audio Kit and click the first link that pops out. In case you're wondering what this website is for, you have to stay tuned for the video to find out why.
Okay.
This website will help us enhance our music and add a slow reverb effect, which gives us cool sound effect. Let's drag the file and let it do the processing. After the process is finished, we have two options: to download a WAV or an MP3. You can select any format you're familiar with.
What next, Will?
Well, we have taken the majority of the steps for the AI beats. It is time for us to generate a nice-looking lo-fi background image.
Okay.
We will use free AI image generation for that, and Leonardo AI is the finest choice as of right now. A large portion of the audience is already aware of Leonardo AI. If you are unfamiliar with this AI, you are passing up a fantastic chance. Log in or create a new account if this is your first time. Select the image generation features. Scroll down and change the aspect ratio. Let's have ChatGPT create a prompt for us. Copy the prompt and paste it. It will use 8 credits to generate the images out of 150 free credits. Preview the generation. If you like the image, download it. One pro tip to achieve a nice image: always generate multiple times with different prompts. You will be stunned by the result. Don't stick to the only one. You still have 142 free credits remaining. Make the best use of it. And chat with ChatGPT as you chat with your friend. Don't order ChatGPT. Hey,
Generated me a prompt.
give a thorough description of what you're looking for.
That's a valuable piece of information, Will.
Yes, man, we can also make a change in the prompt if we want to add something specific to our image and try it ourselves. Or we can also input our prompt directly into Leonardo AI as opposed to ChatGPT. I prefer to write my scripts and prompts myself, which is an optional choice and not for everybody. Let's generate a couple of images with different prompts with different available models. It's a trial and error process. We have to train our AI. Now choose the one that blends in flawlessly with your soundtrack. Upscale the image before you download it. Now open your video editing software. I prefer to use CapCut.
CapCut is an amazing video editing software, man.
Yes, Tim, it is easy to use and very beginner-friendly. Drag the image into the timeline and play around with color adjustments. Tweak the parameters to see what goes perfectly with the image. Don't hesitate to try. Let's add some effects and try a few of them. Adjust the effect. Find a sweet spot that fits perfectly. Add more effects that can go well with the image. I think the lens effect looks best on CapCut for realistic image lighting. It blends well with our image. Now add some stickers and adjust the size. And make sure it goes well with the music. Let's add a couple more and experiment with it. Wow, the bird's animation fits perfectly with the image.
Yes, Will.
It will blend in nicely with the music. Let's try adding some effects and see if it works or not. Let's fast forward the process and make some minor adjustments. Double check the image before you export it to your PC. Rename the file and export it to 1080p if you are using the free version of CapCut. Now to get the 4K quality, we have to upscale our video. Visit the CapCut official website and sign in using your account. Drag the export video file, click on Upscale, and wait until it finishes its process. Your video will be upscaled to a higher resolution. Download your video and export the upscaled file to your video editing software. Drag the video and music into the timeline. Check it properly. Copy the video and paste it throughout the timeline. Recheck the video before exporting it. There are only a couple more steps left for us to take before we wrap up the video. But I had a short announcement to make to my real viewers. For those who haven't subscribed to my channel, I kindly ask them to do so. Out of 100%, 94.9% had not subscribed to my channel.
That's a lot, Will.
Yes, a lot of valuable money-making content will be missing in the future if anyone hasn't subscribed to the channel, which can make tons of easy money online in 2024. If anyone is interested in how to make $132 per day with a mobile phone, go and check out this video.
These apps are scams. You are showing the fake screenshot to your audience, man.
Tim, I have shown the full proof in the video.
Whatever.
You don't believe me, Tim?
Nah, it sounds like a fake money-making guru video.
Okay, Tim. My next video will be the payment-proof video from one of those 6 money-making apps I mentioned in the video.
You are legit, bro.
Yes, I am. I'm here to provide value and the right information to my YouTube audience, not like many fake copy and paste creators who do the same things over and over again and don't provide any value or right insight to their audience while making themselves tons of money with the same content.
Will, then how can I make money myself easily?
You can make money yourself easily by hitting the like button, sharing this video with your friends and family, and subscribing to the channel. By doing that, you will be eligible for the $2,500 giveaway. A single person will receive it. Let's continue our video. Export the still image frame from the video. Rename the file name and export it in PNG format. Now let me share with you the secret to making an effective thumbnail for the YouTube video. Open Canva in Google, log into your account, and start with a blank canvas on Canva. Import the image and start editing the image and play around with Canva. Let's add some text. On Canva, there are many beautiful fonts to choose from. Adjust the font size and place it in the right place. Add some effect to your fonts and add some music graphics. rename the title, and download the image in JPG format. There is a link in the description, or you can type it on Google. I love IMG and click the first link. There is an option to upscale your image. You can turn any image into a high-quality resolution image. You can see that we have slightly improved our image. Now download the image. Let's upload our AI-generated video to our Lofi channel.
When did you create this channel, Will?
We created this channel when we made this video. All the processes and secrets are revealed in that video. Now let's copy and paste the video description and tag. Upload your thumbnail and rewrite the title. Wait for the process to be complete. You can see we don't have any copyright claims in our video. Let me show you the proof. There is no claim in our video. With this AI, you will be able to generate an hour-long lo-fi music playlist and monetize your channel by uploading it to YouTube. Use this approach quickly before other phony creators discover it, and begin creating videos using it. Copy and paste of other small creators, so I need my viewers' support. If you think this is a useful video, please don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and bell icon. If you are interested in creating AI Lofi music using a different technique, watch this video. Leave a comment 2024 if you like my video.
Where can I listen to this AI Lofi, Will?
If you'd want to listen to it, there's a link in the description. You can also subscribe to my Lofi channel.